Power Tech fam, gather around. Today we're diving into the ultimate iPad experience, the all-new Apple iPad, Pro 12.9-inch, 6th generation. Now, let's talk about why the iPad Pro stands out. M2 chip powerhouse. The M2 chip delivers blazing fast performance, handling demanding tasks with ease, whether you're editing 4K video, creating 3D models, or multitasking like a pro. iPadOS Unleashed. iPadOS takes full advantage of the iPad Pro's capabilities. Stage Manager lets you seamlessly manage multiple apps and external displays, while Scribble lets you write naturally in any text field. Wi-Fi 6, Speed Demon. Enjoy lightning-fast wireless connections for downloading large files, streaming high-quality content, and staying productive on the go. Feast your eyes on the stunning 12.9-inch liquid Retina XDR display. It boasts incredible brightness, vibrant colors, and true-to-life details, making it perfect for creative work, watching HDR movies, or simply enjoying stunning visuals. And the power doesn't stop there. Storage options. With up to 2 terabytes of storage, you can store everything from essential apps to massive project files without worry. Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard. Transform your iPad Pro into a drawing tablet or a powerful laptop with the Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, and Magic Keyboard, sold separately. Don't underestimate the camera system. Capture stunning photos and videos with the 12MP wide and 10MP ultra-wide cameras, while the 12MP front camera ensures flawless video calls and selfies. And with Face ID, unlocking your iPad Pro is secure and effortless. Now let's talk price. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 6th generation, with 256 GB storage starts at $1,100. Watch the full video to see our in-depth review and decide for yourself. And if you're ready to unleash your creative potential, head down to the description below for the purchase link. Don't miss out on this game-changing device.